With artist development, we have build-ups. Oh my God. You can't give them too much. It's for the ego.
Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this read because, baby, I was hearing names today. Heavy on self. There's something significant about self. I feel as if that's someone's name, though. John. Okay, John. There's an Adam in the mix. An Adam. Heavy on Lucretia. That's what I was hearing, Lucretia. Like, there's something significant about Monique. Someone's lying about payments, all right? Heavy on my ears started ringing. Someone received the payment. Heavy on someone's pretending as if it didn't go through. Very interesting. Someone's lying. This may have something to do with the building. Someone's building here. Heavy on this may have something to do with an office building. There's something significant about the workers. Be mindful. Don't just hire anyone, okay? Heavy on check those contracts. There's something significant about something being put in the contract. This has something to do with construction, all right? Someone's lying. It's giving vibes like Adam. Someone's lying to Adam. It's coming off like this may be my little boy toy. Hey, hear me out. Someone's flirting here. Like, we are supposed to be discussing this contract, but yeah, you all in my little booty. Hey, heavy on little booty. Hey, little booties matter, okay? Little booties matter. Someone may have a little booty. Heavy on, normally I say ass, but there's something significant about, yeah, it's the booty. Someone has a booty fetish. Hear me out. Someone likes little booties, though. Hey, gang. I'm here for it. But, hey, heavy on, don't get distracted. Someone's not really being clear when it comes to these contracts. Hey, someone's lying about their team. They don't have enough people, okay? They don't have enough people to complete the job. But someone failed to notify their supervisor. Is giving those type of vibes. Hey, don't get got now. Don't get got out here in these streets. Heavy on, you may be on the schedule. Like, it's okay to flirt, but let's discuss business first. Hey. Hey. Someone's distracted. Heavy on, someone's distracted. Heavy on John. John's not being notified. Someone lied about a payment. John is expecting a payment. That's what I'm hearing. Back to where's Monique? I'm here. Don't bring me in. Someone's being questioned, all right? It's coming off like Monique has papers. She may not know she has papers, all right? She has proof of something. Someone's needed to go back and look in that old box I'm hearing. There's an old box. Something's Monique's. Someone's trying to get rid of Monique. Heavy on, yeah. Trying to move Monique. It's giving those type of vibes. Heavy on Roseanne. Someone has Ann on the phone. Heavy on, someone has Ann on the phone. Ann may be lying. Hey, take what resonates, leave the rest. Hey. Someone's traveling here. Someone's lying to Monique. Heavy on. There's something significant about someone's boy toy. Like, I got this in the bag. Don't worry. Someone's not being honest, though. There's something significant about these contracts. Not enough workers, but heavy on, nah. They may be on their way in. So something may be delayed. Heavy on is giving vibes like, yeah, I may spin it, right? Someone's trying to spin a story. Back to we don't have enough. Give me time. Give me time. And then the next day. Back to, yeah, the team is on their way. Someone notified the team late. Someone didn't notify the supervisor until after hours. That's what it's giving me. Someone may get a raise out of this. Someone's being promoted. Someone's getting caught in the act. Hey, very interesting. Heavy on, there's no work getting done. Back to the big guy. The big guy. There's something significant about the big guy coming into town. Something's being sold. Someone's about to sell. Back to y'all can't sell it because it's Monique's, though. That's what it's giving me. Monique may not even know that she owns this. That's what it's giving me. Someone's trying to push back to Monique's aunt. There's a group of cousins here. Don't get distracted. It's giving vibes like the enemy, baby. Back to, yeah, don't get distracted. You may be Monique, right? Have you on Lucretia? Very specific, okay? I feel as if I'm saying the name wrong. Someone's connected to Roseanne. It's giving vibes like we call her Ann, though. Heavy on Ann's line. Because it's time to give something up. Someone's not ready to let it go. So I'm prolonging the process. That's what it's giving me. Very interesting. Hey, use discernment. Don't get discouraged either. Heavy on, someone may be trying to throw their lawyer in your face. Heavy on Monique. I feel as if I'm supposed to be helping Monique, right? Heavy on Monique. Heavy on Mona. There's something significant about Mona. I feel as if I know a Mona. Hey. She's older. Very interesting. Someone trusted someone with a business. This is huge, though. Back to, but you're not my child. That's what it's giving me. You're not my child. You may be someone's niece. Back to, this may be shocking. Someone's not expecting this. Like, that's mine? Yeah, baby, that's yours. Go fight for it. Hey! Hey! You already know what's up. You may have been helping Mona behind the scenes. It's giving those type of vibes. Heavy on, you may have been Mona's connect. It's giving those type of vibes. This has something to do with business. Heavy on, this is an older lady. Someone's like, this is yours. Someone may end up giving you this because, yeah, you helped me behind the scenes. You are the reason why we were able to keep the doors open. It's giving those type of vibes. This has something to do with business now.
Who came up with this topic?